Hey, hey. Hey, 1, 2. Hey, hey, 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Hey, hey. Hey, 1, 2. Check, check. Hey, hey. Hey, 1, 2. Keep in the grass. Hey, hey. Hey, 1, 2. Hey, hey. Check. Hey, 1, 2.
Sobbing uncontrollable.
I need to have that moment, like, soon.
I am not the type of person to have that luck. So immediately I burst.
Yep.
Hey, 1, 2.
I turned to my brother because he's recording the whole thing, and I went. And then Danny, it was first Danny climbed off the stage. And
Yeah.
he went.
Hey, 1, 2.
And then I was like, Danny!
Hey,
He
check.
put me in the video screaming.
That's so funny.
That's the only, and I said, like, I am the unluckiest person literally ever. So I think that was, like, all of my luck for my
Hey,
entire
check.
life.
Check 1, 2.
I've never been lucky. That was all.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sounds about right.
I've been on my feet as long as that moment could happen, and then it's never going to happen. That's okay.
I'm still waiting, but that's okay.
Hit my peak. That was it.
This is the only thing I've ever needed, actually.
That was the one thing on my bucket list, and I'm good now.
That's it.
Oh, God.